Okay. For the open house event that I've attended today was sensational because not only Mr. Ravinder Bhan was amazing at the session, but also it benefited a lot of people. I've noticed the engagement of students and faculty and the top management of MCBS were great. He was amazing at capturing the essence and meaning of what it's like to be an entrepreneur. He gave great tips on how to start up your business, and that success stories don't just come out in a day, that it actually escalates. You can fail as many as you can, but eventually you'll succeed. So the session was amazing. It was completely different from what I've experienced so far, which was many. But moreover, Mr. Ravinder was an amazing instructor, which to me, I consider him as a mentor already, which I hope he accepts. And I'm looking forward for more of his sessions.